here. I am so excited to have this. And it came this afternoon, like 1:20 in the afternoon. So yeah, so I have this Hoover powerdash pet cleaner. This is for the carpet, so I'm so excited to do this and cleaning. Yeah. So here, okay, let's see. Okay, there's so much happening in here. So basically this is a big carpet washer. Yeah, this is so amazing. And okay, let's do this. Okay, I am in the kitchen right now. It's like light is much more brighter here. So here, and then the materials. So here's the guide, that manual guide, so that I could assemble it. So yeah, Hoover powerdash carpet cleaner. So yeah, okay, let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. Okay. This here. Okay, it's locked. Then second. You see it? Okay. I couldn't get wrong with this because like this actually came late. Then this is here. I think. Yeah. It's like here we're gonna put the solution like here. This is a deep clean neutralize. So, but I actually bought another one of this. So yeah, how's it going? Now I got it. Okay. And this is the cord. So woohoo. Okay, how are we gonna do this? So I have it, so I'm gonna do it. Excited. Okay, bye. Alright, so here is the container. So you were gonna put water on this line and then the solution on that line. So yeah, and then I was gonna use this solution because like I actually bought this ahead of time. So yeah, so let's turn this on. Put water until, okay, let's wait for it. Okay, then here, solution. Let's do this. Go! Okay. Have you seen that? I don't care. Okay, so solution is ready. I already combined everything. It smells good. It smells fresh. So I'm gonna put this one in here. So let's do this. How's it gonna work? Scary. I'm scared, yeah. you're gonna step on this. So, yeah, and then power on. Oh. It's not on because I didn't plug it. Okay. So I'm gonna do this on this side. Oh my god. Yeah, it's heavy. Okay. Then I'm gonna show you something. Okay, so basically it's wet, and then yeah, I love it. You were gonna clean your carpet without even going out, and then you were gonna grab a water outside and then, you know, brush it. So this is really so amazing. It's really efficient. Wow, water is like in there already. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, enjoy it. So dirty. Now I'm done with cleaning the carpet. So quick pour, like you're gonna put this out. Yeah. So yeah, I am so happy with this. Seriously. So basically you could actually see the dirt, nasty. But yeah, amazing.